Wave 12 of Winsurf just came out, so basically just checking out Wave 12, and then we are going to be working on Chrome extension that I've been building for a couple weeks now. Wave 12 looks pretty interesting, switching between code and chat down here. Also the chat, the UI looks pretty clean. But yeah, let's jump into what I've been building the last couple weeks. I started building this Substack extension. It's a productivity type of extension. It just helps you write faster and gives you more features than the actual Substack tools. They do have like a whole bunch of buttons and stuff like that, like writing tools, but I wanted something to extend it and obviously add in some AI tools, so the select text, and then you have the context menu that comes up, so you can rephrase it, add details, humor, whatever. The ideal scenario is for the users to be able to add their own tools basically instead of the default ones that I'm adding here, so that it's really customized to how you like to work. The AI is disabled at the moment, but basically just continue writing. It brings up this writing tool. This is in demo mode at the moment, but you'll be able to replace this text that you selected or just added onto it. Then on the side here, we have just a little menu that will have a bunch of other settings. This quick create plan for this is to hook this up to init and then do the whole flow with proper SEO. These context menus should not be available unless you are actually logged in. This is the actual admin section for it. Just using a Next.js dashboard. Okay, so this is the back end of the extension. So the idea is to divide it into three main sections. Have productivity, growth, and then monetization. And I'll go through a couple of these. The idea for this is that the extension is supposed to make your life easier when writing Substack posts. So you have everything that you need right here in the sidebar. Let me just log in real quick. So the user would need to log in to access all of the tools. Obviously, once you're signed in, you will be able to access your own specific extension bits that you created. Okay, that should now trigger. There we go. So now it picks up my username that is obviously connected to my account. I am done. So the way this would work is you have productivity, monetization, and a whole bunch of other tools that I want to add. But the point of this is, if you're big into Substack, you write your content in a certain way, and there's always certain things that you add into your article. And my thinking is, you're going to have maybe some Word documents or some notes and stuff like that where you just copy and you paste it into your Substack post. You would need quick access to that. So I created the productivity tools, which would be the content block. Now, the content blocks, I already have global blocks. So it's just about the author, different content blocks basically that you can, when you're writing, you go into productivity. So here's the productivity tools. Now the thing is, Substack is super strict with formatting, inserting any weird HTML or like scripts is not possible at all. Sometimes it just does not look the way it should in the actual editor, so still need to work on that. But the point is that you would create your own special type of content block that you always use, and then when you're busy writing, you can just do a quick search and you have your thumbs up, and then you can go ahead and you can drag that in. I have these global blocks, but you can also go to your blocks. You can create your own. Subscribe to I am done. And as you can see, subscribe to I am done. As a Substack writer, you would go ahead and you would create your own content blocks that you always reuse. I have this generate content block. I added the voice input. So let's see, what are we creating? A block quote. Cool. So can you create me a block quote with a purple border on the right hand side, and the heading should say please subscribe to my channel and my Substack, and then that gets sent over to Grok, and Grok would turn the actual block quote. So that's the original audio to text. It's pretty fast using Grok. And then this is the actual preview. Block name is subscription block quote. Description category. This is let's call it promotion. So basically, you save the block and it shows up over there. So this is under promotion. So subscription block. It's supposed to have the purple thing over there, but yeah, it defaults to this Substack orange theme basically. And then it's obviously added this H1. So it's a work in progress. We have the trending section here. So depending on the writer and the niche that they are in, some competitors and stuff like that, and it will show you trending articles on Substack at the moment. So you have the option to favorite and save it for later, or you can click and recreate post or a similar post basically. In Growth, the post promotion, that is just a very, very simple tool for Substack. When you create a Substack article and you share it on X, it won't show the post preview. I don't know if X and Substack have beef or whatever, but it doesn't show up. So this promote post, basically, it's kind of like a bit.ly short link that gets created for your blog post and actually show a proper preview of everything. The feed embed tool, add in your Substack and can customize a whole bunch of stuff. So show comments, show the date, the author, subtitle. So this is when you want to embed your Substack posts into your own website. And then down here you get your embed code that you can copy and then just paste it into your WordPress. The capture and subscribe is another tool that has to be built. The monetization stuff that I was thinking about and busy creating is the ads manager. In the editor itself, when you're busy writing your article, you can basically go into monetization, and if you have a banner that goes to external shop, you should be able to just drag and drop your banner into your post, and when you're done, you publish, and that's it. The idea behind this was when you create your ad block, it would create a sort of a bit.ly type of redirect. All you would need to do is actually just click that, select a new banner, swap out the banner, update your destination URL. On the front end, you're going to have a new banner, and the destination URL goes to the new the new product. See the banner updated to the new one. So everything was working fine. It's an amazing feature, but as soon as you save your article, Substack would actually strip all the images in your post and then re-upload it to their CDN. So that means even if I update this in my backend, my CDN, it's not going to update the image, but I can still edit the destination URL. Maybe you can make a generic kind of ad block or something like that, but yeah, Substack is pretty strict. Pretty bummed, so I'm still trying to figure out what I should do with this, but it is still a reusable content block, which is still cool, but it's not as cool as editing this and it changes it across 20, 30 or 40 different blog posts to send people to your new product. The next feature is the Substack shop. This is basically going to be just one page digital product type of pages on a subdomain where you can add your product name, you add your price, description, type ebook, and actually upload any PDF or any type of file or whatever. Yeah, and then the rest of the stuff is just some writing tools. Continue writing, improve it, continue briefly, all that type of stuff. I guess we'll just keep this as a little walkthrough over what I've been busy building.